Hi, you guys. It's Cassandra Reed, your marketing tool diva, coming to you with another tutorial video. Today, we're going to talk about how to make videos from your computer using your webcam and Windows Live Movie Maker. I've been using this for a while now, and I have to say I really like it. I didn't think that I would in the beginning. I didn't understand all of the bells and whistles and doohickeys that went along with it. But once I started using it and getting used to it, I really kind of like it. It's very easy, integrates really well with YouTube and Facebook. So I want to show you guys how to use this. All right, so here we go. Now my Windows Live Movie Maker is housed on my desktop. If yours is not, this is where you find it. You can go down to your start menu down in the corner, that little icon that's down there, and you can click on all programs. You can find it somewhere in this listing of your programs. If you can't find it here, you can actually type it in on this bar and it'll bring it up. As soon as it comes up, you can just slide it right over to your desktop. Now, if you're using Windows 8, I'm not exactly sure where it's located on Windows 8. This is where it's located on my computer, which is Windows 7. Okay, so let's get started. Now you're going to bring up the program, and as you can see, when you first bring the program up, this block over here for video is empty because you don't have a video in here just yet. You can see you have a taskbar with all of the different features that you can use for your video. You can do animations, visual effects, projects, and view what you've done. These are your tabs up here. So we're going to go back to the Home tab, and we're going to click on the webcam video. Okay, soon as you click that on, hello, how are you? There's your webcam. So let's click record. Now, as you can see, there are no bells, no whistles, no anything up here. It's completely blank. Basically, all you have is record, stop, and cancel. You click stop, it saves it to a file. You click cancel, it deletes everything that you've recorded, and you start over from scratch. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click stop, and it's going to take you straight to your video file. Okay, once it gets to your video file, you can just save it, and you can change the name. Let's call this test and save. Okay, once you save it, then everything opens up. The entire taskbar opens up for you to add all of your other bells and whistles and things that you want to add to it. Now, I really like this because there's a lot of things that I can do with this. Now, the auto movie themes, I've tried this section before, and to be honest with you, this is, I think, the one section that I don't like, because once you click on one of these, I can't seem to get rid of it, so I don't even use that. If I want to put a title in front of my movie, I can go here, click on the title section, and not only does it open up here for you to put your title in, but you also have all of these other wonderful features that you can work with. You decide where you want your title to come in the middle, flip down, scroll up, from the side, from the other side, slanted, or spinning. All these different things that you can do for your title to your movie. You even have the option to put in the start time, how soon you want your title to start, and the duration of the time you want it to show on the screen. That's really cool. You also have the option as far as how you want to align it, your fonts, colors, everything, the size of it. So it's really nice what you can do with that. If you decide you don't want to do that, you just right click on it, click remove, and it disappears. Same thing with the caption. Awesome that you can put a caption on your video. This is really good if you're putting your videos on like Dailymotion and Vimeo. There are some video formats out there where you can't put a link in the description underneath your video. So what you can do is use this to actually put your link to whatever business op or website or blog or wherever you want people to go. You can use this to put your link information right in your video. Just embed it straight into your video. So that's really cool. And it's the same thing with this. You get to decide how you want it to appear. Now, as you in your video, all of the different ways that it comes in. Very cool. And in order to get rid of this, all you do is put your cursor right on it, right click, and remove. Okay, very easy to use. You can also do credits if you want to do credits at the end of your movie. If this has been a collaboration with someone and you want to make sure that they get credit for their work, you can do that as well. And this is also a good section also for you to put extra information about your video. I really love this section right here as well. You also have, again, a start time and a duration time. All of the uh, things that you can do with it at the end are consistent with what you can do with your title and your caption. Okay, and again, put your cursor over it, right click, and remove to get rid of it. Okay. All right, so now music. OMG. I am loving the fact that I can put music with my videos. This is something that I've been struggling with for a while, because sometimes I do some videos and I'm like, it'd be really cool to have some music in the background, but I couldn't figure out how to do that. I tried using the music player on YouTube, but if you use it, there's no way for you to take care of the volume, as far as, the music overpowering what you're saying. So Windows Live Movie Maker, I can do that. How awesome. So check this out. Check this out. So you're going to click Add Music, and you just click Add Music there. Now it's going to open up to your music library. Now if you've got iTunes on your computer, then a lot of your music, most of your music, maybe all of your music, is going to be in your music library folder. In mine, I don't really have a whole lot in there. I think this is the last one that I opened. It's Ben Tankard. So we're just going to pull a song out of there. I'm going to open it up. And now you can see that the song is going to go through the duration of the video. Now, here's where it gets really, really cool. You can take this, and once you double click on the song, it opens up the menu here for the song. You can put the time that you want the song to start playing. You can put the end time that you want it to end. You have another section, a starting point, if you wanted to put maybe a different song in there and have a starting point for that. You can let it fade in, you can let it fade out, and my favorite is the music volume. So let's say I'm punching play on my video. I'm going to let you hear how I can manipulate the volume of the music. Now, as you can see, there are no bells, no whistles, no anything up here. It's completely blank. Basically, all you have is record, stop, and cancel. You click stop. How cool is that? Saves it to. So now you can actually put some music behind you while you're talking in your videos. That is super freaking awesome. Okay, and to get rid of the song, again, just right click on it and click remove, and the song disappears. Another cool feature is you can take snapshots of different frames. Let's say you want to do a thumbnail for your YouTube video, and unfortunately I didn't smile at any of these. Oh, this is horrible. So you can actually pick a frame, click snapshot, and it'll take a picture of whatever frame you just clicked and save it wherever you want to save it. I'm going to save mine to my desktop. Just going to click save, and bam, now you've got yourself a thumbnail picture, and you can remove it by doing that. Okay, and we're good to go. Oh, you can add another video onto this. Let's say that you have an action video that you took, or maybe you did a video in the park and you wanted to talk a little bit about it before you actually showed it. So cool. What you can do is you can click on add a video. You can go and get a different video and click it on and put your different video onto there. How about that? Add a video to the end of that. Okay, and if you wanted to, you can even take this video here and you can add some music to it. Let's try some Ribbon in the Sky. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start the music, let's see, down here. So did you see what I did? All I did was move the music bar. Instead of starting the music at the beginning of this video, the intro video, I just took my cursor, put it on it, moved it down. So bam, it starts at the beginning of the second video that I did, so that when you play it, let's see how that goes. Let's see how that works. Okay. Now, all right, I'm just going to play it from here and see what happens. Click stop. Oh, where's the video? Where's the video? Where's the video? Hold on. Stop. Okay, well, I got to figure out how to make that video play. But anyway, I'll get back with you on that. We'll work on that. I'll get back with you on that one. But anyway, that's just some of the things that you can do with this puppy. Let's see. What is the show here? Okay. All right, so now that we've got all of that, we're going to, why did this show up here at the top? Okay, there we go. All right, so sorry, my screencast-o-matic was doing something crazy. So now that we've decided, okay, we got the music or we don't want the music. If we don't want music, we can just go back to home. And here's your video. Now, you can take this video and you can save it to your system. I usually always save mine for high definition display, put it right into this folder here, and boom, I'm done. So that way I can take this movie and not only use it on YouTube or Facebook, but I can also send it to Vimeo. As you can see, it actually already saved a copy of it here, so that may be a little redundant. If I wanted to, I can take this video and send it to YouTube. I usually use, although this is the estimated size, I usually go with the bigger size. Oh, that's right. I unhooked from the internet because my virus protection was acting crazy. Okay, so you can send it to YouTube. I usually pick the best size, the largest size, because it just looks better. But you can pick the recommended size if you like. And come on, don't go into non-responding. Ah, base, bam, bam, bam. So then all you do is you sign into your YouTube program. We're going to go ahead and sign in. And once you sign in, bam, takes it straight to YouTube for you. Okay? You don't want it to go to YouTube. You want it to go to Facebook. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and use the recommended size for Facebook. And bam, check this out. As soon as it gets through loading, there you are. It's going to publish it on Facebook for you. Straight to Facebook from your computer. How cool is that? Okay? Doesn't get any better than that. Keep in mind that you have to make sure that you connect your programs here. This goes to YouTube, SkyDrive, Facebook. This is Windows Live, and this one is Flickr. You can also add more plugins in there by going to your system and seeing what other programs you can plug in. I actually haven't been over here, so I don't know what other programs we can plug in there. But we shall see. We shall see later. But anyway, that's basically it. Your movie is saved in your folder. You can do whatever you want to do with it. You can rotate it around, and just play along. Play around with it. See what you can do. See how you like it. There may be some things you find on there that I'm not using. I know that there's some cool animations that you can do on here as well.
Now, as you can see,
all kinds of really cool things. You got cool visual effects that you can use. And I've I've actually done a movie in black and white on here before. It was awesome. I really like the effect of it. All kinds of really cool things that you can do. Okay, so I hope you like that tutorial. It really works for me, and I hope it actually works for you. Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial. I'll talk with you guys later, and I'll have some more stuff for you. Toodaloo!